Hi everyone, Dr. Gustin here. It is week 3 and I'm making this video during week 2. We're not completely done with week 2 materials, but one of the things I did notice is compared to other semesters, you guys are getting things done more quickly. Uh, not everybody's just waiting till the last minute. And I hope that means that the materials are a little bit more engaging and you're looking forward to doing them, or else you're worried about them or whatever it is. But I highly recommend to keep doing that, not waiting till the last minute so you can if you have any problems, there's time to troubleshoot it and just get it off your plate. Who wants to be working on human biology at 9 o'clock on Sunday night? I'd rather be relaxing with my family. Um, Let's see. One thing that I want to give you a heads up for is next week, week 4, is our first exam. And the lecture exam will be on the lecture material from weeks 1, 2, and 3. So this is your first big chance to really be challenged. You can go back in the materials that you've done in class in weeks 1, 2, and 3 and review them, review the book, use your lecture study guides to go over the vocabulary and the concepts that we have listed there. So study for that exam number 1, and I'll give you a little bit more information as we get closer. But I haven't written it yet, so I got to kind of get an idea. But it's mostly going to be multiple choice kind of thing. So multiple choice, fill in the blank kind of things. So commit some of this to memory. We're going to be using a program called Respondus. This is new to the college. I was using something called Honor Lock, but somehow the contract didn't get continued. So we're going to use this thing called Respondus. And again, I'll tell you a little bit more about that at the beginning of week 4, or I'll try to tell you about it sooner than that if you need to. Let's see. During week 2, I put in, I tried using the activity feed, and I'm getting some people putting information on there, responding to some of my questions. And so if you didn't look at that announcement about the activity feed, it actually can be a really useful thing to use and to be able to share information in the class. One of the things with an online class is it's hard to have that kind of conversation that goes on when you're just hanging out with your class and it's kind of casual. So I'm hoping the activity feed can do that. If you want me to, I have to post the initial question or the initial message, and then you guys can respond back and forth with the comments about that. But if you have something you want me to put on for an initial message, let me know and I can put it on there and we can talk about it. There's no grade or anything associated with that. It's just to hopefully give you a little extra information and a place to talk to people if you want to. Also in week 2, hopefully the videos worked out for a lot of people. So far I've gotten some pretty good feedback about them. It takes me a lot of time to put them together and upload them and get them in there. So if you're not using them, if the class as a whole is not using them, let me know. But also let me know if you are using them, because it's a lot of work to put on there. And if you're using them, that's really great. I hope it works out for you. You do not have to use the videos. All that information is in your textbook and in the lecture assignments. But a lot of people like the videos, and it helps them focus on the points that I'm really trying to get at. So the other way to use the videos is in some of the sections, they're pretty easy. So you might not need to use the video, but then some sections seem challenging. So use your video at that time. Anyway, remember I have office hours. You can look at those. There's a virtual link on your syllabus. I have live hours, so if you need to talk, let me know, or we can make an appointment. And good luck with week 3, and good for you for hanging in there. Hope all's going well. Take care.